Hi, I'm Rudy Casabon. In this video, I'll introduce you to the new Intel NUC preloaded with the AI on PC development kit. I'll show you how easy it is to set up and use. The Intel NUC with the AI on PC development kit is now available for the first time from Simply NUC, a platinum Intel technology provider. The bundle, built specifically for developers, combines the hardware and software needed to develop AI applications that utilize deep neural networks. Let's take a look and see what's inside the box. This bundle comes with the Intel NUC with 8th generation Intel Core processors, the Intel Movidius Myriad X Vision processing unit with Windows 10, a couple of USB camera options to choose from, 16 GB of RAM, Thunderbolt 3 that supports up to 40 GB per second of data transfer, and 4 USB 3.1 ports to quickly move big media files around and connect to multiple peripherals. You can choose from several models with different features, such as 8th generation Intel Core i7 or i5 processors with Iris Plus graphics, and it's preloaded with the latest AI on PC development kit from Intel. The software includes Windows 10 Home, Intel distribution of OpenVINO Toolkit, Intel distribution for Python, a 30-day trial of Microsoft Visual Studio 2019 for Enterprise, and a link to download Windows ML. The combination of an Intel Core processor with integrated graphics and a Movidius CPU, it's a powerhouse, and it fits in the palm of your hand. It works great for high-performance, low-power AI workloads, such as object detection and facial recognition. Let's see how easy it is to set up. First, connect it to a keyboard, mouse, and monitor, then just power it on. Next, read the end-user license agreement and accept. Once done, the system will quickly boot up and take you to the Windows desktop. Now you're ready to start developing. The Intel NUC delivers all the CPU, GPU, and VPU performance you need to develop AI applications. As you can see, the footprint here is minimal, and you can take it anywhere. Additional information on the Intel NUC with the AI on PC development kit and how to buy it from Simply NUC can be found on the Intel Developer Zone at intel.com/NUC-AI. We look forward to seeing your AI innovations. Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it and haven't seen any of our other videos, subscribe to the Intel Software YouTube channel. You can also connect with other developers and enthusiasts in the comments, and we'll see you all next time.